This module will guide you through the advantages of MT heavy seamless and complex 3D structures. Integrated modules and skids can be demanding, since they require the design and then the assembly of complex 3D structures. Fine-tuning of supports and media is often required on the job site. Vertical adjustments can be carried out easily, alongside the seamless groove of the MT90H box profile. Its interlocking pattern has a pre-holding function, enabling simpler handling and adjustments on the job site. Adjustments in the horizontal direction are also seamlessly possible, resulting in full 3D adjustability. Pipe rings, U-bolts, pipe straps, pipe shoes, cable trays, and air ducts can be seamlessly adjusted alongside the groove. Complex 3D structures can be planned and then realized in a highly productive way, resulting in a reduction of total cost of installation.